Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to style bangs that you have cut short, or if you're regretting cutting your bangs. This is just 3 easy ways you can clip them back and make them look good. Now, as you can tell, mine's not super duper short, so it doesn't look terrible. But I just wanted to show you 3 easy ways. Now all you're going to need is like 2 bobby pins. That's all you need is 2 bobby pins. So let's go ahead and start with the first way. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is I'm going to get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to set this in front of me. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab all the hair that you've cut, all of your bangs, and you want to start twisting. I'm going to get down here, start twisting the hair over like this. Just keep twisting all the way over. Twist all the bangs up in this little, if you can see, I'm going to get close. You can see I'm just twisting it into itself. Okay. So you just keep twisting it all the way over. And get some hair and lift it up. We're going to get our bobby pins, which are hidden. Yeah. And we're just going to clip in bobby pin, and we're going to put hair over it to hide it. And now your bangs are clipped out of your face. You can just style it if you want to, and even if you you could also like make it more teased. Like mine's not teased right now. You can get a better view of how it looks. And the lighting is really back and forth, but that's how it looks. Okay, so for the next look, we are going to do a poof at the top. I guess that's what you would call it, a poof. So we're going to take down our bangs. They're right in my eyeballs. Okay, so with this one, with this look, you're only going to need 1 bobby pin. So make sure I'm focused in so you can see. Okay, so with this look, you want to grab all the bangs and you're going to grab them and pull them up, and then you're going to twist the bangs and push them up. I've seen a lot of girls wear this look. Now you could tease this if you wanted to. I kind of like mine off to the side. Twist it, pull some out here. My hair's not wanting to cooperate where it's really, really clean. To take that back, you're going to need 2 bobby pins. I'm going to zoom out so you can see the finished look. And there's the finished look. It's kind of like a messy little side thing. It would look really, really cute with like a messy bun to the side. Like if you twisted your hair and made it into a messy bun. That's the second look. Now this next look is if you have longer bangs. So we're just going to take out our bobby pins. Longer bangs like I do. And we're going to get our bangs, and we're going to braid it from the side. And there you go. So that's how the braid looks. You just keep adding hair to the braid, and don't add it from the back, just add it from the front, and then it will look cute. So yes, this was 3 ways to style bangs that you've cut too short, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any other ways. I mean, you could also use a use a headband to style your bangs, but let me know what you all think of me with bangs down below. I know these are really long and they're kind of choppy and messy because I did it myself. But yeah, that was just a quick video on how to do that. Thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all soon.